Imagine a world where everyday people, not just scientists in lab coats, can reprogram life itself. Welcome to the revolutionary frontier of DIY synthetic biology, where biohackers, students, and citizen scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible by engineering living organisms in garages, basements, and community labs. They're not just playing with science, they're solving real problems that impact our planet, health, and future. In this video, we dive deep into the heart of this growing global movement where synthetic biology meets open-source innovation. These passionate DIYers are developing plastic-eating bacteria, pollution-fighting microbes, and even nutrient-enriched crops that could help end hunger. Many of them are self-taught. Some work in underground labs, others in fully equipped biohacker spaces. But all are united by one powerful belief, that biology can, and should, be hacked for the greater good. Take the example of a group of high school students in the U.S. who used CRISPR gene editing tools to design E. coli bacteria that consume microplastics from water, or a community biohacker lab in Europe engineering yeast strains to produce affordable insulin. From combating ocean pollution to addressing malnutrition in remote regions, these innovators are turning biology into a tool for impact. These aren't just science experiments, they're solutions. But how do they do it? Synthetic biology combines biology, engineering, and computer science to design new functions in living organisms. Using tools like CRISPR, gene synthesizers, and open-source genetic databases, DIY biologists can now edit DNA almost as easily as coding software. Kits once limited to elite institutions are now available online. Open-access platforms and bio-sharing communities like GitHub for Genes are making biology more democratic and disruptive than ever before. Yet the rise of at-home biology brings up critical questions. Who regulates these experiments? What happens if engineered organisms accidentally escape into the environment? Could bioterrorists misuse the same technologies that these innovators use for good? As much as synthetic biology promises breakthroughs, it also presents bioethical dilemmas and biosecurity risks. In this video, we explore both the inspiring potential and the responsible boundaries of this movement. We also highlight inspiring stories of individuals who turned their passion into powerful change. Meet a former artist now growing biodegradable packaging from fungus in her apartment, or a farmer in India using engineered crops to withstand drought and deliver more nutrients to his community. Their work blurs the lines between professional science, grassroots innovation, and social entrepreneurship. At the heart of this story is a question: should the future of biology belong only to corporations and governments? Or can citizen scientists, working in collaborative, transparent ways, democratize biotechnology for everyone? As synthetic biology becomes more accessible, it forces us to reimagine what's possible, not just for science, but for humanity's role in shaping life itself. So, if you've ever wondered whether biology can be hacked to build a better world, this is the video for you. Join us on a journey into gene editing, radical creativity, and real-world impact, where imagination, responsibility, and science converge. Like and subscribe.